You gotta go to the hospital?
No, I'm alright, y'all. Get out real quick, please.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing. Excuse me, Takeeya. No, it's alright. I don't want this blood to get on me. Oh, man.
I'm supposed to leave out your mouth.
What's good, BNT Mafia? It's your girl Binks back at it again with another bang. Today, guys, look, what's going on, what's about to happen is I'm about to be doing a coughing up blood prank on my sisters, y'all. Now, truthfully speaking, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I'm kind of distracted by all this fine shit going on. Damn. Real distracted. Hey, Pinky. All right, stop playing. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have some of this blood in a bag. Or should I I'm gonna just put it in my hand. And then rub it like this. Or I'm gonna just call them in here. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's just get into this video. Make sure I smash that like button, comment down below, hit that notification bell so we know whenever this is post your dick. Here we go. Y'all ready? I gotta hide this though. I'm gonna put it in my hand, some in my hand. Okay. Not too much though, not too much. Alright.
Water right here on the thing. Here. Binky. Binky, what's wrong?
Got this, sis. Get out. Y'all get out real quick. Y'all get out real quick.
What happened?
Get out real quick, man.
That's blood? That's not normal. Do you need to go to the hospital? You sure? That's not normal.
I'm good.
How was you good and this blood coming out of your mouth? That's not normal. I'm calling the police. Dariana.
Yeah.
How are you good and this blood coming out of your mouth?
I'm okay. I'm serious. Just give me a little minute, y'all. Let me clean up.
Let you clean. Why don't you act? This just be happening?
No, that don't be happening.
She acting like you do. Talking about let me clean up.
Can you put that soap over there, please?
Like she could.
Oh man, I'm still spitting up and everything.
Hello? Hey, do you know what you're doing? What's wrong? Why are you not trying to get no help? You're just trying to clean up.
I'm just trying to get this off my face.
Coughing up blood.
Yeah,
and I'm trying to get her to understand that that's not normal. And I need you to get somebody to come and get her. And take her to the 13.
Takeeya, don't have. I'm alright. Takeeya,
how are you alright? There's blood coming out of your mouth, bro. Why you think you're alright?
Just give me a towel or something, please.
My name is Dariana. People be alright. Have this happened before? Why are you acting like this normal?
It's alright, people.
How is it alright?
Just help me get it
I'm
off.
sorry?
Just help me. That's all I ask. Just help me, please. Just get this off.
Let me see the towel.
Like she was just
give me the towel.
It felt like I had like shortness of breath in between those coughs. She's trying to say that it's
do your mouth hurt?
Like I know this is not normal.
What happened?
She's acting like this has happened before, and she was like this is a normal thing.
Why are you acting like this normal? That don't make no sense.
They're out, like how far? How long? 5 minutes?
No? Why did you tell her to hang up?
Thank you.
What are you doing?
Because you finna go to the hospital. That's not normal. No, I gotta pack you a bag.
I'm fine.
How are you? Stop saying you're fine. You're clearly not fine. You're throwing up blood, bro.
It's not red. That red no more. Bro. It's not that red no more.
It's not that red, so it's okay.
Yeah.
That's not okay. Watch out. Something is really wrong with you.
Where's your socks at?
Normal.
All my socks in the closet.
That's not normal. Is you laughing?
No.
I don't see no socks in here.
Blood all over your mouth, but you okay? And it's all right. You don't need to go to the hospital.
I don't.
How are you all right?
It's
Blood not coming out your chin, but you all right.
Where's the socks?
Take them little ass fuzzy ass house shoes off and put some shoes on.
Put some shoes on.
Cause you're going to the hospital.
Do you need a pad or anything?
What do you mean?
No,
You're not
what the
going?
fuck? I need a bathroom. I'm not on my period.
I'm just making sure. Stop yelling. I want to make sure you're straight.
Your teeth is fine. You worried about the wrong things. You're coughing up blood and you checking on your teeth, bro?
I'm checking my mouth. You're getting upset with me because I'm checking my mouth. I'm fine. Let me wipe this off.
Move, this blood ain't even off your face. You trying to clean up. Where's your shoes? Take these little ass house.
She's not wearing those. She wearing gloves.
You still fine? Everything still okay?
Yeah, mommy, get that blood up right there. Is it still off my face?
Hey sis, can you come down here? I need you to very, you gotta come
Something really wrong with you.
I'm gonna just drink some of this. Well, I'm gonna pour this out to get the blood off.
How about you drink it?
I'll get some.
Drink the water. Why are you laughing?
Because I'm alright. This is just nothing. Like this.
You coughing up blood is just nothing? That don't sit right with me. And you being okay with it don't sit right with me. It makes me feel like this happens often. And you don't say shit.
You don't say nothing.
You just clean up after yourself and keep it pushing. And that's not okay.
That's not okay at all.
That's some
You
weird
don't even
shit.
know what's
That
going
shit
on.
pissing me off.
Why you ain't got no time?
Why are you watching me?
What do you want me to
Go
do?
take them fuzzy ass house shoes off and put some shoes on. You're not going to the hospital in house shoes?
Why?
Cause you're not.
Just take the time, Darian. Where your shoes at?
I don't know.
Where's your shoes at?
The front door, but they're yellow.
I don't give a fuck if they was colorful rainbow.
Is this your toothbrush?
Yeah, I can brush my teeth right now.
What happened? No. She down here coughing up
Come
blood
on, man,
and
I'm
she act
fine.
like it's so normal. Yes, you
I'm fine,
was.
Tika.
You just
Nothing
cleaned
is-
out the tub.
I'm okay, Tika. Everything is good.
That's not even funny, dude.
I'm not laughing.
What made you do that?
Come on.
Nothing made me do that.
Come on.
Bro, I don't.
Sit down.
That's really on the way.
Yes.
Are you
down.
serious right now?
I'm so serious.
Sit down.
Yeah, she called me. Just say never mind. Just say never mind.
No.
You can't. They can't just.
I'm not
They're
gonna
not gonna
say
turn
never mind,
around.
bro.
Just
I'm
like
not
you
your
said never
coughing.
mind.
Sit down.
You in here coughing up blood.
And it's still red.
Yep.
You still okay? It's still just nothing?
Yeah, you can't tell them to turn around. They're not gonna listen. They have to come in and make sure everything is okay.
I'm gonna put your little black book.
I'm alright, y'all.
What's causing? Like, what made you do that?
Sit down.
Hold on, I need another towel or something.
For what?
I feel like I'm gonna get sick again. It's not right though. Like it's regular. It's just normal.
That's
How is that normal? I wish you would stop saying that, bro.
Nothing about that is wrong.
Sit down.
Hmm?
Come on.
Damn. Y'all always mad at me. Y'all be mad.
Nobody mad
I'm
at
mad
you.
at you.
We're not mad at you.
Where are you
We're worried
going?
about you. Here, do you want to put your bonnet on now or later?
I'll put it on later.
Sit down.
Just tell people
Oh,
it's a
you
prank.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not telling
What?
you.
Girl, come on. Sit
I'm
down.
telling them that.
It's not for real.
This is a
Sit
prank.
down.
This is a prank. It's a prank.
No, she had.
How is it crunchy?
She
Right, she just spit up and it was red still. Sit down.
still spitting out
It's a
blood.
prank, y'all.
How is it a
I
prank?
put the blood in my hand and on my
So when you just spit and it was just red.
Yeah, I watch you spit now.
You're
You put
coughing.
it in your
I
mouth.
had a red popsicle.
Girl, boo.
Sit down.
I'm not stupid. Okay.
Takeeya, for real.
You just used that. You just used that yesterday for a prank. That doesn't.
Look,
that doesn't
I put it in my
mean
hand, mommy.